Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, if you can't tell by the title, we are going to be playing with the Art Revolution Elf Cotton Ninny Muggins palette again. Yeah, this is my third video actually playing with this palette. I put up a poll on my Instagram to see what you guys wanted me to film, and the majority of you voted for this. The other thing that I wanted to play with was the Huda Beauty Wild Obsessions palette. Let me grab that. Yeah, this palette, because I actually haven't played with this yet, but you guys voted for the Revolution palette, so we're going to be playing with this again today. If you guys do want me to do a first impressions using this, I know it's been out for a while. I actually got it a few months ago and I just haven't played with it yet, but if you guys want me to do a first impressions using this, just let me know, because I am planning to. But yeah. So yeah, we are playing with the e.l.f. palette again. I've already done 2 videos using this. I've done a full review on this. I used the highlighter and then I did test out the lip gloss trio. If you want to see my first impressions using the full, all of it, then I will link that video up in the cards and also at the end of this video as well. And the second video I will also link up in the cards as well. So yeah, I just really want to apologise that I only posted 1 video last week, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but I have been quite ill, and honestly I was just not in the right mind frame for filming. I did plan to film towards the later end of last week, but I just didn't get around to it. So yeah, I've really not been well. I know that a lot of people haven't been well. It's definitely going around. So yeah. Also, I do want to apologise in advance because there might not be the best content upload this month. If you guys don't know, me and Scott are trying to move. We're in the process of trying to sort that out. And I've already started packing, so a lot of my makeup I've actually already packed away because my makeup is the biggest thing in the biggest thing to pack in the house. So I've already started packing, and actually the majority of my drawers are actually packed away now. So yeah, so the content might not be the best over the next few weeks. I will try my best. It might be that I just do 2 videos a week for December, but we will see. If I manage to do more, then I will do. But yeah, also, if you guys want me to do, I'm planning on doing a Black Friday haul, so all the things that I got during Black Friday. If that's something that you're also interested in watching, then I will definitely try and get that filmed when everything arrives. So yeah, I'm gonna stop yapping on. Let's get into playing with the palette. Okay, so I am back. Jumping into the palette. The last time that I filmed with this, I said that I wanted to do a brownie green look, because that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to take this shade here, which is the deep brown shade. Quite nice. It's quite a nice shade. I wish that this palette did have shade names, but yeah, it's fine. There's a lot of shades in here, so I completely understand. Oh, let me put my clip in the other side, because yeah, I've actually used the browns before for a Christmas look. So yeah, also if you don't follow me on my Instagram, go follow me, because I have done quite a few Christmas looks. I was planning on doing 25, however that's not going to be happening. I think I'm going to be doing about 19 Christmas looks. So far I've done 17, so I'm planning on just getting 2 more done. So yeah, I just don't want to stress myself out too much. In 2019 I did actually do 25 Christmas looks. So yeah, but obviously I have, since then I wanted to do something a bit different this year, so I've switched it up a little bit with them. Yeah, I'm excited to post them. This year for Halloween I actually did quite a few looks, which is not like me, because like I do like my creative looks, but I'm not like massively creative, and I really pushed myself with the Halloween looks this year, so I found that so fun. So yeah, I like that shade. It's really quite pretty, quite a nice shade. I'm then going to take a little bit of this shade here, which is another, it's like a, almost like a little bit of a more like a cool tone kind of brown, but it's really quite pretty. I'm just going to take a tiny bit of this. I'm just going to blend. It's definitely more cool toned, but still though, it's nice. I actually really like this palette. Like, I've done quite a few different looks using it, and I actually really love them all. So yeah, Revolution really killed it. I was very tempted. I was very tempted to buy the other e.l.f. palette, but I was like, no, I don't need it. I don't need it. I stopped myself, which, yeah. It's very difficult for me to control myself. It really is with me, especially with makeup, because I'm a massive fan of makeup. So, yeah. Nice. It looks a bit messy, but it's fine. We're gonna fix it. I'm then gonna take this shade here, which is more of like a peachy, beigey kind of shade, and I'm just gonna blend around the edges of this. Oh gosh, forgot that shade is very powdery. I don't really know how I feel about that cool tone brown. Like, I like it, it's nice, but I am more of like a warm toned brown lover, so yeah. I feel like I should have just gone in with that shade to blend out the dark brown. I'm then just going to go back into the deep brown shade, pack some more of that on again. Have you guys picked up anything from the sales, the Black Friday sales? Did you pick anything up? I always feel like I am broke. I'm just broke this time of year. Like, every year I just feel like I have no money, and like Black Friday is the one time of year that I actually want to have money, and I just don't feel like I have it, and it's like, oh, it's frustrating. But yeah, I did manage to pick a few bits up. I picked up a few Christmas presents as well, which is good because, you know, it's that time of year. I'm actually gonna go, I'm not gonna take the brown shade. I'm not gonna take the cool tone brown shade again. I'm just gonna take the peachy shade, this one. There's a lot of kick up from it. I'm just gonna go straight into that, and kind of like hope that it looks okay. I think I kind of ruined it with the cool tone brown. I mean, it's a nice shade, but it's not what I'm wanting. So yeah. Yeah, guys, what did you pick up from the sales? Let me know. I did pick up a few cheeky little bits, so I'm planning on doing like a mini Black Friday haul, because I didn't pick up too much. I just picked up a few little bits. A few bits that I needed, a few bits that I wanted to try. Yeah, and a few like crimbo presents. I'm gonna go back into the dark brown again. Just kind of like pack on some more. I'm basically just building the shades up until it kind of looks good. I'm trying to like eliminate that dark brown, no, that cool tone brown shade, because I don't really like it. No, it's not that I don't like it. I think it's a nice shade. I just don't think that it's what I'm wanting I know I've already said that like 5 times. My goodness. Get with it, Emily. Get with it. This eye looks so weird. What the hell is going on with me today? I just can't function. I can't. It's one of them days. Yeah. What I'm going to quickly do is I'm just going to go ahead, just like kind of clean this up a little bit, cut my crease, and then we're going to jump into doing the lid shade. Hopefully by then, I mean, on camera it looks horrible, like it doesn't look that great, but then like in real life it doesn't look that bad, and I'm a bit like, well, which is it? I'm a bit confused. So I'm just going to go ahead, just try and like clean things up a little bit, make it look a little bit better, and then I'm going to cut my crease, and then we're going to get into doing the lid shade. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I've tried to like clean the look as best as I can. I think it looks alright. I think it's not the best look in terms of like, I don't know, it just looks very weird, doesn't it? It looks very weird. Like I think it's me, but I'm like, is it me? And I'm just like, I don't really know. I think I just kind of messed it up a little bit, but yeah, hopefully with lashes and all that jazz it'll look fine. But yeah, it doesn't look very clean. Like I feel like my skin's a little bit like weird. I don't really know. Yeah, I'm not really too sure, to be honest. Like I thought it looked fine, and I'm like looking at it now and I'm like, is it though? Because it kind of looks a mess. Anyway, we're just gonna smooth past that. Hopefully when I get my lashes on and all that jazz, it'll look fine. But yeah, my skin started to like, on my lid, it's starting to like peel away, which is like the weirdest thing ever. Not only really happens when I use vitamin C for some unknown reason, my Ola Henriksen stuff. But yeah, anyway, here we are. For the lid shade, I'm going to take a green. I'm going to take this green, because I just think it'll be really pretty. So we're going to take that. It might be that I use a bit of the gold as well, but we'll stick with this shade for now. Hopefully it packs on. Oh yeah, it's packing on well. It's a really nice shade. I love green. You know what, I just love it. Especially at this time of year, I think it is so pretty. I'm going to take the dark brown shade again and just like pack that onto the outer corner, like so. Yeah. Then I'm just going to go back into the green. Oh wait, actually, let me just fix that. Then I'm going to go back into the green shimmer, put a little bit more on the outer corner just to build it up again. Just to blend it in. Cute, I like that. I like it. Do you think the gold copper would ruin it? Put a little bit of this on top. I'll try a little bit. This shade here next to the dark brown. Just gonna take a tiny bit just to see if it packs well on top. I don't want it to ruin it, but like pop in a little bit of that. Is it just gonna give it a little bit extra like voomph? Voomph. I think that it does. Just a little. I feel like it has definitely changed it. Not like massively, like, but just giving it a little extra va-va-voom. Now, let's go on to a inner corner shade, because can't miss that out, can we? Really and truly. I am going to take this shade here, just above the brown. I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. Oh yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. And a little bit on the brow bone as well. Just a smidge, just a little bit. This. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna do my lashes, my base, everything else off camera, and then I'll be back and we will just wrap the video up and I'll let you know. I might use this shade from the lip trio again. I have used it quite a few times and I've really been liking it. So I might use that, but if I do, then I'll let you know. If I don't, then I'll let you know what I am wearing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, just do the rest of my base and everything, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the finished look. I did use the lip trio and I used the shade Candy Corn on my lips, but I did just line it with more of like a brown liner, just to like tie the look together. So yeah, this is the finished look. I really like it. I think it looks a lot better now that I've got my lashes on. And yeah, I love that lid shade. I think it is stunning. So yeah, I didn't use the highlighters today. I used something different. But yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, this is it. So everything else that I'm wearing on my face, I'll of course link in the description box down below as always. And yeah, if you do want me to do another look using this palette, I mean I can do. This is the third look that I've done now. But if you like want me to film with another palette, like if you've got anything in mind specifically, just let me know in the comment section as well. Cause I do try to do like as many videos as I can that you guys want me to do. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it really helped me out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!